Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss about anagram of a string. So first let's understand what anagram is. Consider two words. Now these two words are called as anagrams when they have the same number of characters and same characters, but they may be arranged in different order. Some examples of anagram are silent, listen, cat, tack, and there's so many examples. If you observe these words, they have the same number of characters but they are arranged in different order. So in this video, we are going to check whether the given strings are anagrams or not. So let's get started.
Let's create two strings. String, let's say x equals cat, and string y equals stack. So we've created two strings. Now the second step which we have to do is we have to extract the value of the string and store it in the form of array. So for this we use the toChar array method. So let's create two variables first in order to store the value in the form of array. So we create array variables here. So let's name this as a equals x dot toChar array char b equals y dot toChar array. So we have stored the string value in the form of array in variables a and b. Now the third thing which we have to do is we have to sort. So in order to sort them, we use the sort method here. Arrays dot sort arrays dot sort b. So what this method does is, now sorting is like it is done in ascending order. So all the alphabet, it will be stored in alphabetical order, ascending alphabetical order, which is this way. Now there is the string cat, so this will be stored this will be, when we sort this, it will be stored in this form act, and it will also sort this tac. This will be sorted as act. Now after sorting, the next thing we have to do is we have to check whether they are equal or not. So in order to check whether they are equal or not, we use the equals method. So first of all, let's create a boolean variable and let's name it anagram. Boolean anagram equals, we are storing the now let's create arrays dot equals, which checks whether a and b are equal or not. So what we have done here is we are checking whether the value of a and b, the sorted value of a and b are equal or not, and we are storing that in this variable. Now since it is a boolean variable, the return value would be in the form of true or false. So now we'll create an if statement. If anagram, if the anagram is true, then they are anagrams, else they are not anagrams. So what we have done here is we have written, if the value is true, if the arrays dot equal, if these both are equal, if the value is true, then they are anagrams. If the value is false, then they are not anagrams. So let's run this first. it is showing that they are anagrams. So let's revise the whole code once. What we have done, we have created two strings here, and using the 2char array, we have extracted the data from the strings and we have stored it in the form of arrays, and then we have sorted the arrays using the sort method, and after that, using the equals method, we have checked whether those sorted arrays are equal or not, and then we have written an if statement. If both the arrays are equal, then it is printing out that they are anagrams. If they are not equal, then it is showing that they are not anagrams. So this is how it works. Now let's check out something else. For example, if the string is, say, the space cat, and here the string y is the space tag, and let's also consider, let's keep this C as capital, and here let's keep this T as capital. Now let's check this. It is showing that they are not anagrams, but still they are anagrams. Now, in order to deal with such situation, first thing we have to do is we have to remove this space and we have to convert all the characters in this string into either lowercase or either uppercase. So the first thing we'll do is we'll sort them. No, we will not sort them. We will remove those spaces. So x equals x, we'll remove those spaces using the replace method. So x equals x dot replace. Replace this space character with this, and y equals y dot replace y equals y dot s comma so we have replaced the space with, we have cleared the spaces. Now the second thing we have to do is we have to convert everything into either lowercase or into uppercase. So we do that using x equals to x dot to lowercase. Let's convert this into lowercase, and y equals y dot to lowercase. So we have replaced the spaces and we have converted everything in both the strings into lowercase. So now if we check it, it is showing that they are anagrams. So what happened here was, now when we replace the space with this, it will be something like this, and when we converted everything into lowercase, it became like this, and this became like this. Since these both strings are equal, it is showing that they are anagrams. So this is how it works.
So now you might have understood what anagram is. This is one of the methods to find out anagrams of strings. There are many such methods to find anagrams. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next one.